Hi, today I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Evision Technosir for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Because of your guidance, training, and continuous support, I have been placed at Concentrix with a package of 3.2 LPA. With this achievement is a very important milestone in my career, and I truly appreciate efforts taken by the entire team. The training sessions, mock interviews, and constant motivation helped me improve my technical skills, communications, and confidence. You not only prepared me for the interviews but also helped me for understanding industry expectations. I am really thankful to the mentors, placement team for believing me in me and supporting me throughout the journey. I'll always forward the values and learning I gained here. Thank you once again, Evision TechnoServe, for shaping my career and helping me taking this important step forward. Thank you so much.